Listen to the story, my dear. In the story, Dr. Sadao is the main character. Dr. Sadao was sent by his father to America to study medical science. His father wanted him to be reputed in the field of medical science. He should be a scientist. He went there. At the house of a professor, he happened to see a girl. Her name was Hannah. Before falling in love with her, he wanted to be sure whether the girl belonged to Japan or not, because his father liked the culture of Japan, because his father cannot allow him to marry with a girl other than Japanese culture. Now he was sure that the girl belonged to Japan. He got married with her. Now his father is no more. He was a reputed doctor in the army of Japan. He was not only a doctor, he was a scientist also. What is the role of a scientist? Scientist makes discovery. He makes a research. He discovers. And on the basis of his discovery, he makes invention. You know the difference between discovery and invention? Can you differentiate the two words, discovery and invention? I want
Yes,
from
sir.
you. Yes, what is the difference between invention and discovery?
So discovery is that invented things are discovered, and the invention is to make new things.
To make new things. Now you can see today is the environment of coronavirus. In the coronavirus, doctors are doing their work sincerely, and I can't say some doctors are not doing that work sincerely. There are scientists who are trying to make the vaccine, medicine, and we have been vaccinated. Our parents might be, and at the same time, DRDO, okay, made the medicine of the coronavirus. Okay, the scientists make the research. On the basis of research, in what way research is made? On the basis of trial and error. They try, they make experiment. The experiments are done, and the experiments means trial is done, then error is completed, error is again rectified, then again trial and error is methodology. You know, Edison invented a bulb, but before the invention of the bulb, he committed 1,000 mistakes. But all those 1,000 mistakes were the part of his experiment, because he never repeated them. So the mistake you commit is not a mistake. It is an experiment done on the basis of trial and error. But when the mistake is repeated, it is a blunder. Mistake must not be. Otherwise, you are also the scientist. We are making mistake. To err is human. To forgive is divine. But that should, if mistake committed only for the first time, is a mistake, is the part of experiment. Otherwise, it is a devilish activity. Repetition of the mistake is the devilish, is a rakyas activity. And mistaking is the activity of scientists. You are inventing. You are in the process of invention. So, in the process of trial and error, the scientists could develop some inventions useful for the humanity, or destructions for the humanity, on the basis of trial and error. Dr. Sadao was also he was making discovery how to heal up the wound at the earliest, as he was the doctor of the army. And the army soldiers are injured, they receive the wounds, injuries, and his aim was to heal up the wound at the earliest with the help of sea foam and other things. In this way, he was making discovery. So he was a doctor. He was applying the discovery on the patients. So this is the process. When application is successful, when the medicine is applied on number of patients, it produces the same result. This becomes recognized medicine. As the vaccine was recognized by WHO, and the medicine made by, for the first time in the history of the world, India made the medicine. DRDO, it was recognized by WHO also. It is a matter of great prestige for us, reputation for us, for the country. It is the glory of the country, reputation of the country that our Indian scientists could make the medicine. WHO recognizes their medicine. One day, what happened, my dear? It was the evening time. The house of Dr. Sadao was situated at the beach, at the coast of the sea. His battalion had gone for fighting against America. There was a war between America and Japan. He has to go. He had to go with the battalion, but he did not go. Why he did not go? Because the general was suffering. He was operated anytime. He can be operated anytime. So the general did not let him go with the battalion. General had the faith only in the services of Dr. Sadao, because general thought that he got the degree from America. He had the faith from the medical degree of American, not from the German, not from the Russia. So, but there is a war between America and Japan. So Dr. Sadao did not go with the battalion. In the evening time, his shadow was approaching from the sea towards the house of Dr. Sadao. It was staggering and it fell down. Dr. Sadao bent near the shadow. It was the soldier. It was very muddy. He found that he was the American soldier of Navy, because on the cap, he had the cap of Navy from American Army. Now he was the enemy. His wife Hannah says he's the enemy. He recognized him to be the enemy. Now the question is, he was a patriot, he was a nationalist. Enemy is before you, he was a doctor, what he should do? This dilemma is the very important part in the whole lesson. Now he had a dilemma, confusion, duvidha. His mind, duvidha means to do this or to do that. What to do? He was in the dilemma, whether to save the life of the patient lying before him, but he was the enemy. How can I save the life of the enemy? I have been taught to kill the enemy, not to save the life of the enemy. He is a representative of America, so better to kill him. But one part of his conscience says, no, you are a doctor. You have been taught to save if you can, to save the life of anybody else if you can. You have been taught the art of saving, not the art of killing. As a doctor, he was in the dilemma. If he, then it is the one thing, one part that was the part of nationalist patriotism says, let him die or hand him over to the police. Okay, and his inner conscience says, no, you are a doctor, save him if you can. Ultimately, humanity wins. Remember, patriotism is a great virtue. Patriotism is love for a country. Patriotism is a great virtue. But humanity is greater. Humanity knows no barrier, no caste, no color, no creed. Humanity is an asset of the, it is beyond the nationality. It is not the narrow, it is divine quality. It covers one and all in its grip, that is the humanity. Ultimately, humanity wins. He brought the person, it was Tom from American Navy Army at home. When his servants saw that he's the enemy, they became rebellious, they became mutineer, they left the house. If enemy is in the house of the doctor, we cannot stay in this house. You can see open mutiny was there from the part of the servants. And a lady servant was there, she was the midwife, she was looking after the children of Dr. Sadao, two children of the Dr. Sadao. She also refused that she will not wash the bond. Ultimately, Hannah washed the bond of the enemy herself. She was not having the experience of washing because work done by the servants. Now she herself had to do the work. She only knew my husband cannot be wrong. She may have the different mentality. She also knew she also said he is the enemy, but she was with the husband. It was a noble task. The same dilemma you see as The dilemma experienced by Dr. Sadao to treat the patient, American army, Navy army, enemy, or not to treat, or let him die. The same dilemma was in the mind of Susain Vaid. When Hanumanji brought Susain Vaid from Lanka to treat Lakshman, Lakshman was unconscious. The dilemma was there in the mind of Susain Vaid. Susain Vaid said, how can I treat Lakshman? He is from my enemy side. I am the nationalist, I am the patriot of Lanka, and he is the enemy of the Lanka. Why should I treat my enemy? Then Vibhishan said, Ramchandji said, that you are a doctor, you are a bad. It is your duty to save the life of the patient. You are not a soldier. You are a doctor, you are a bad. For you, what is your enemy? The disease one is suffering from is your enemy. Not the enemy. Enemy is not your enemy. The enemy is suffering from the disease, problem, pain, injury is your enemy. Treat that. Ram said, I have handed over my brother to you, Susain Vaidji. Do your national duty and kill my brother, or do your doctorly duty and save the life of my brother. It is up to you. I have left my brother on you, on your service. This was the dilemma. Now ultimately humanity wins. The Tom, Tom is the name of the prisoner of war. It was the prisoner of war. His name was Tom. He was being treated. Servants left the house, no matter. Still he continued. It is a divine task he was doing. Remember, when we want to get up, when we want to rise up, there are many forces which pulls us down. He was rising up in the humanity, in the divinity. Servants, many calamities he faced. Servants left the house. Midwife left the house. They had no experience of working. They have to work themselves. It is not the easy asset. To achieve the divinity is not an easy asset. Many examinations are there. We have to face many difficulties, many problems in our life in order to touch the humanity, in order to touch the divinity. The same thing was in the case of Dr. Sadao. Still he treated, but he had the fear. Anytime when they were knocking at the door, then he was frightened. Yet there can be police. Police might have come to arrest him. Now there was a knocking. Both husband and wife, okay, but terrified. And Tom, who was the prisoner of war, guessed that there is danger outside the house of this doctor. So he preferred to live. He does not want to go out of the house. He was living there well. Now there was a knocking at the door. Soldiers came. Doctor was terrified already. The soldiers asked, General wanted your services. Now doctor took the sigh of relief. Doctor went to the general and gave him the medicine and prescription. Doctor revealed everything to the general. General, I have a prisoner of war in my house. I am treating him. He is quite well. Because I could not say. General said, that is why I want your services. Because you have the humanity in you. Doctors generally don't have the humanity in them. They are, this is the real story. The friend of my son is studying, PhD, pursuing PhD from IIT Delhi. His sister, his father's sister, his Buaji, was suffering from pain. She was taken in Muzaffarnagar, in the medical Muzaffarnagar, and she was torn. Her parts of the body were torn. And it was well packed in the polythene. They suspected, what is this? When they opened, they found the part of the body were torn. They called the blazers. Many blazers geared. Many blazers geared the clinic of the doctor. Doctor somehow ran away. And it was the police case. It's the reality going on in the today's time. So humanity is not to be seen in today's doctors. It is not my intention to insult the doctor as a whole, but some doctors are there. This is the real story, I tell you. And so many examples which do not come into our notice are going on in the world, in the countries. And Dr. Sadao said that I have Harvard means sheltered a prisoner of war in my residence. Because I don't know the art of killing. I know how to save, I don't know how to kill. General said, don't worry, doctor. I will send you my personal assassins. Personal assassins means murderers, killers. In the night time, after 3 o'clock, keep your window wide open. My murderers, my killers will enter and they will kill him and take the dead body from there. Don't worry, you do not have to bury it. Don't worry, doctor. You have to worry about my life only, General said. Doctor waited for 3 years continuously. No came, nobody came, no assassins, no murderers, no killers came. Then doctor arranged a boat for him and he filled the boat with some cloths and eatables and said that there is a island. You must reach the island. Sometimes Korean ships, okay, come there. You can go through those ships to your own country. And if you have any problem, in the evening time, not in the night time, you can flash your this torch 2 times. Then I will guess that you are in trouble, you are in problem of certain things. I will try to help you. If you don't flash the torch, then I will think that you are quite well. But if you flash the torch in the night time, you can be noticed by the Japanese army and you can be arrested. So in this way, Dr. Sadao saved the life of the enemy. This is all about the story